Good morning, everyone. This is class 6 English, and this is example questions or what can be asked in the next exam. It is given here. So, first question is true and false. 1. Patrick was always doing homework. False. The little man's face wrinkled like a dishcloth thrown in the hamper. True. The little elf began to do Patrick's homework. True. For when it came to maths, Patrick was out of luck. True. 5. Patrick failed. False. 6. Patrick was now the model kid. True. 7. House is made of brick, stone and wood. True. 8. Loving family makes the home. True. Family has unselfish acts and kindly sharings. True. 10. Dogs were once their own masters. True. 12. The wolf got feared to see the bear. True. The lions were moving loudly and running in a panic in all directions. False. 13. Finally, dog became servant of the man. True. So here are these were true and false. Now blanks are here. How bright on the blue, it is blank when it's new. The answer, kite. The source like a blank with only a cell, sheep. 3. When blank goes slack, you wind it back. Answer, string. Now here is next part. For the blank looked out from behind a tree, bear. 5. Blank gave a great roar and struck the ground angrily, a lion. 6. The dog is man's most blank's servant. So here is the answer. The dog is man's most blank servant, loyal. 7. Patrick never did blank. Too boring, he said. Answer, homework. 8. That little blank began to do Patrick's homework. Answer, elf. 9. When it came to blank, Patrick was out of luck. Maths. Answer is maths. Elves know nothing of human. Answer, history. 11. Every day, in every way, that little elf was a blank, nag. 12. Patrick is now the blank kid, model. 13. A home is blank and family care, loving. So, these were blanks and true and falses. Here are some questions from books. Here is the question. Some people find household chores a bore, but I like to help at home. 2. Who stole the diamond is still a mystery. 3. This semester we are going to have a class exhibition. For true to his word, the elf began to help Patrick. Can you look up this word in the dictionary? 6. I started early to be on time, but I was out of luck. There was a traffic jam. She says she has got a lot of books, but between you, I think most of them are borrowed. Between you and me, this is full answer. So, this was the end of this one. Now, here are some questions from this one, chapter 2. This is the story of a dog who used to be his own master. He decided to find a master stronger than anyone else. First, he found a wolf, but the wolf was afraid of the bear. The dog thought that the bear was the strongest of all. After some time, the dog met a lion who seemed the strongest. He stayed with the lion for a long time. One day, he realized that the lion was afraid of a man. To this day, the dog remains man's best friend. Here are blanks. 1. A fleet of ships. So, यहाँ पे क्या है? Here are, जब भी कोई चीज ज्यादा मात्रा में एक साथ जमा हो तो उसको क्या कहते हैं? जैसे एक प्लेयर हो तो प्लेयर कहते हैं, मगर जो ज्यादा हो तो टीम हो जाती है. इस तरह से अगर एक शिप है तो ज्यादा शिप है तो क्या हुआ? सब साथ में तो फ्लीट हो जाता है. ऐसे ही सभी का जो झुंड होता है उसको क्या कहते हैं, इसमें लिखा है. A bunch of flowers, a brood of chicks, a herd of cattle, a bundle of sticks, a flock of sheep, a school of fish. देखो, स्कूल यानी जो फिशेस एक साथ बहुत सारी जमा होती हैं उसको स्कूल कहते हैं. A pack of wolves. यहाँ पे TY और Y लगा के जो नाउंस बनाने हैं एडजेक्टिव्स में से. ऑनेस्ट, ऑनेस्टी, यही स्पेलिंग सही है, इसको रिमेंबर करना है. काइंड, काइंडनेस. क्रूअल, क्रूअल्टी. काम, कामनेस. सैड, सैडनेस. एक्टिव, एक्टिविटी. क्रिएटिव, क्रिएटिविटी. सिंसियर, सिंसियरिटी. चीयरफुल, चीयरफुलनेस. बिटर, बिटरनेस. सेंसिटिविटी, sensitive, sensitivity. Great, greatness. So these were words. Now here are opposite words from this paragraph. Ancestor, descendant. Wild, tame. Ancient, modern. Near, distant. Suddenly, gradually. So this is the end of our video. Goodbye.